bafethu, it's your boy, the friendly neighborhood ghost. Isibhoke sami mina, isibhoke sihleka nabantu, isibhoke sukuthusa sube flexi. Ke re tsentwe mtsepla ntse chisang, bringing you the mashup. Akere, let's mash things up. Don't forget to check us out on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Akere, isinkoti yemunyaka, not go walenyaka. Yeah, the mashup specifically. Akere, but as usually, ghost havai aliwan. Kvalma.
Avano kushi my brother.
Oh, da.
That's a downtown.
Hey, that's it downtown. Now here I'm from the uptown. One Talohan. Yeah. Welcome to the mashup, my G. Get all got 2 questions. Lena get over from the downtown. One time. Yeah. Get all got 2 questions. The first one, you gotta get it correctly. The second one, you have the right to your own opinion.
Sure.
Ane?
Sure.
Sharp. The first one goes like this. Already? Already? Sharp. What's the smallest room in the world?
Smallest room. Smallest room.
Yep. The correct answer is a mushroom. It's the smallest room in the world. Yes. Second question. Ne?
Sure.
Second question. If you were to give a presentation, what would be the topic?
I could say GPV.
Okay. Gender-based violence, I fed. Relatable, yabo? Yeah. People can relate to GPV, you understand?
Sure.
Yeah. And if you're showing a shot from the top of your head, young John.
My man.
I fed. My guy, Tatela Kube famous.
Thank you.
The mic is your oyster. Obashapeka blind chisa one thala. Little sweet and delicious and now tiaka. And I'm out.
Thank you, please. Sambe bathini Wangithi kushi one time then I sit downtown Asambe kanje Uza nice Ossa baba Olalelani balalini Nanti kushi ntwana encane sifikile Isitimela ingoli sazokhoza umritivini Angisuke downtown sazodala amafilini Olalelani balalini Nanti kushi ntwana encane sifikile Isitimela ingoli sazokhoza umritivini Angisuke downtown sazodala amafilini Uyayisa Ushaya iskitsha ngijavisa Uyayisa Uqhuba intwana ngesikitsha Uyayisa Ushaya iskitsha ngijavisa Uyayisa Uqhuba intwana ngesikitsha Uzongisina ufike lokishini dlala ngale ngoma thola money mo kusuka ivuruva edalini firithi vusa umakhelane dlala pasarita sabacabangiso emkhulukudu Uzongitsina ufike ebhilidini khalo sinyorita guthi ngisamari udedela ngasithi siqhumena kabili SABC bomhlaba jikelele vele ubhala ufoma nubukelele Yebo kunjalo kunje sengifikile ngizovusa abalele wesashiya isigubha uzojaba ujulike Ngithi ghost abangene Yebo kunjalo kunje sengifikile ngizovusa abalele sashiya isigubha uzojaba ujuluke Ngithi ghost abangene waya wesa baba waya amba wena waya wesa baba waya amba wena Sambi kanjina Gina mntana kithi kaGina. Ila mavaravara daliswa lawalo mina bale lami ngisigcinela isiphalaphala uyele mpano gibela toto tangibhale nalo muqantwana ngifake full stop la shithini khala bototo ewasiqolozele ngathi thina sinamaghost ekuse bale lami ingozi nawo lamagenge ntwana yami check coast ubathini Let's go, asibe siyavusa umakhelane nethu. 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 Asibe siyavusa umakhelane nethu. Let's go, asibe siyavusa umakhelane nethu. Asibe siyavusa umakhelane nethu. Asibe siyavusa umakhelane nethu. Uzosina ufike lokishini dlala ngale kongo thwala mani mox ukivuruva edaliri virithi vusa umakhelane dlala pasarita sabacabangisa themphulukutu uzongitsina ufike ebhilidini khalo sinyorita guthi ngisamari udedela ngasithi siqhumena kabili esephisifo wamhlaba jikelele belubhala ufoma nubukelele Kebo kunjalo kunje sengifikile ngizovusa abalele usashiya isigubha uzojaba ujulukele kangithi qopsa bangela Kebo kunjalo kunje sengifikile ngizovusa abalele usashiya isigubha uzojaba ujulukele kangithi qopsa bangela wena waya wesababa waya hamba wena waya wesababa I got a call from a 40 store number nambi bumila solela ma 44 ikanti mntana kithi qala ngikhothi feeling good ikhala makuya dzala luzoluza namhlanje onekujabuje maso bengithi fuck kaliporo so bona tihuzu jampa namabona oshas ujabuma meso cho Papalantise, babuthele ngesikitsha Papalantise, babuthele ngesikitsha Papalantise, cho, babuthele ngesikitsha
Woo!